All right, if you can tell us your name and a little bit about yourself and what brought you to our clinic.
Hi, my name's Diane Ducey. I work on the radio at ESPN 93.5 and Sunny 95.3 and US 105.9. And my coworkers at Stevie J Broadcasting, Pia Atkins and Stevie J, had both been to Dr. Edward Chun before, and so I was recommended to try out some services here. I was having a great deal of pain as I was trying to put on my shoes in the morning and socks, getting dressed, bending over, getting in and out of the car. Anytime I bent, I was to tears at the beginning of the year. And so I thought I'd take their suggestion of trying something like chiropractic care. And I found out in the initial visit that my pelvis was tilted. So getting these adjustments have really helped in alleviating that pain. And we've seen a great deal of improvement in my spine and in that pelvis tilt, so that I'm not having so much discomfort. And when I'm doing my radio shows and things like that, I need to stay bubbly and upbeat, and I'm able to stay more focused at work.
Okay. And then, have you seen any major changes during your treatment?
Well, in doing my final assessment, I was able to do a lot more flexibility. I was able to have a greater range of motion. Of course, within the first week or so, I was able to put on my shoes and socks and do these tasks that I do every day without pain, and that's the reason why I came. I was in a great deal of pain. In my past, I've had lower back issues before, and some of my primary health care providers had suggested just getting some steroid shots, which worked, but basically I'm masking the pain instead of taking healthy steps to make improvements and make some changes in healthy lifestyle.
All right. And then overall, have you seen, how has this impacted your life?
So obviously at work with these coworkers asking me to try this at least, they've noticed my demeanor is a lot more pleasant since I'm not in pain. They could see from my movements and not being able to focus on my tasks at work that something needed to be done, and they were happy when I was having positive feedback about the adjustments I was receiving at Champaign Chiropractic. So family and friends noticing that I'm being pain-free made them feel happier too. So I'm gonna recommend Dr. Edward to anybody that I see because it's helped me.
All right. And then, do you have any other last words or words of encouragement that you would have for somebody who's unaware of chiropractic care or is unsure if chiropractic care is for them?
Well, I know it can be intimidating, but I've done some massage therapy things before to hear that back cracking, and some people have said that they might be stressed about it and tense up, and then a person might make the wrong adjustment, or cause their spine to sever or something like that. I was hearing all of these stories when I was getting ready to come in for care, and I feel like they just didn't know or didn't have this type of experience, and they were just kind of wives' tales or something like that, that weren't true at all. So there's something to it. I've, like I said, done some massage therapy work in my past where breathing in and out and feeling more relaxed going into the treatment, and Dr. Edward can walk you through all that. Really makes a difference in and giving you that healthy treatment that you need to improve your life.
All right. Thank you so much for sharing your story with us.
Okay.